Next problem, find the inverse z transformation of 10z by z square minus 3z plus 2. Let f of z which is equal to 10z by z square minus 3z plus 2. So 10z by factorizing the denominator, because minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 into 2 minus 1 into minus 2, you will get plus 2. So z minus 1 into z minus 2. Therefore f of z by z, taking that z to the denominator of the right side, so you will get 10 by z minus 1 z minus 2, right? That is equation number 1, right? Next, now consider 10 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 by partial fraction a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now multiply both sides by z minus 1 into z minus 2. You will get 10 into z minus 1 into z minus 2 by z minus 1 into z minus 2. Numerator and denominator get cancelled, so you will get 10. Then a into z minus 1 into z minus 2 by z minus 1. So z minus 1 get cancelled. The numerator you will get a into z minus 2. Then b into z minus 1 into z minus 2 by z minus 2. Z minus 2 get cancelled. So you will get b into z minus 1. Now we need to find a and b. Put z is equal to 1, right? So you will get 10 is equal to a into 1 minus 2. So you will get minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore a equal to minus 10. Now next put z is equal to 2. So 10 is equal to a into 2 minus 2, 0 plus b into 2 minus 1, 1. So b equal to 10. Right? Now 2 becomes 10 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 is equal to minus 10 a by z minus 1 plus b 10 by z minus 2. Therefore f of z by z is equal to minus 10 by z minus 1 plus 10 by z minus 2. Now multiply by z on both sides, right? So f of z by z into z get cancelled, so you will get f of z is equal to minus 10 into z by z minus 1 plus 10 z in by z minus 2. Now f of z is nothing but z of f of n, which is equal to minus 10 into z by z minus 1 plus 10 z by z minus 2. This is nothing but taking a z inverse transformation, right? Inverse is a transformation on both sides. So z inverse into z get 1. So f of n remaining on the left hand side, which is equal to minus 10 into z inverse of z by z minus 1 plus 10 into z inverse of z by z minus 2. We know z by z inverse of z by z minus a is equal to a power n. So replace a by 1. So you will get minus 10 into 1 power n, first term. The second term you are having 2 instead of a. So plus 10 by a power n instead of a power n, 2 power n. Therefore is equal to, so 1 power n 1. So minus 10 plus 10 into 2 power n. Taking 10 common outside. So 10 into 2 power n minus 1. That's all. Thanks.